Tired of paying for link in bio tools? Get a free, professional, simple links page on Namecheap in minutes. That monthly subscription fee for Linktree or something similar, it adds up. And honestly, for a single page with a few links, you shouldn't have to pay for that. There is a much better way, and it's already waiting for you inside your Namecheap account. I'll show you exactly where to click inside Namecheap to set up your free page from start to finish. Let's dive in. All right, so first things first, we're going to start at the main Namecheap website. This is where you already manage your domains. Go ahead and log in if you aren't already. Now, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a few different buttons. The one we need is labeled Apps. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, you're going to look for the option that says Simple Links. Go ahead and click that. So, what is Simple Links? It's Namecheap's own free tool for creating exactly what we need. A clean landing page for all your social media profiles, your website, your newsletter, anything. And the best part? It's completely included with your account. No hidden fees. Click on the big Create New button, or wherever it says to get started. You'll see an introduction screen that explains what Simple Links does. Just click Continue to move past it. Now we get to the personalization. The first thing it asks is, what would you like to share with the world? This is your main heading. It could be your name, your business name, or a short tagline. Type something in there. Once you're happy with that, click Continue. Next up, we have Tell your audience where they can find you. This is a spot for a short bio or description. Don't overthink this one. A sentence or two about what you do or what people can expect from your links. It helps give your page a little personality. When you're done, click Continue again. Now, here comes the fun part, the design. It will ask you which layout looks best with your content. You'll see a few different template options. Some are more minimal, some are a bit more visual. Choose the one that feels right for your brand. You can always change this later. Click Continue once you've made your pick. And now, pick your template's base color. This is where you can match your page to your brand colors. You've got a selection of preset colors to choose from. Go ahead and pick one. But here's a little detail you might miss. On this screen, you actually want to click the back button instead of Continue. Why? Because it takes you back to the previous step where you chose the layout. This might seem odd, but it's just part of their flow. So go ahead and click Back. Now, from this layout screen again, click Continue. This essentially moves you forward with your layout choice locked in, but now the color you picked is applied. Next, we choose the font. It asks, which font shall we use? Again, a few options here. Pick the one that feels right to you. Click Continue. You'll see one more Continue button. Just click that. Now, there might be a short loading moment as it finalizes everything. This is where it all comes together. Click the final Continue to publish your page. And boom! You should now see your brand new Simple Links page. Take a look at it. Your heading, your bio, and at the bottom, a button that says Add Your First Link. That is where the real magic happens. You can start adding links to your Instagram, your YouTube, your portfolio, anything. You can go back and customize further whenever you need to. Change the colors, the layout, add more links. It's all right there in your dashboard. And the best part? Just by following these steps, you've built a professional, free link in bio page using a tool that's been right under your nose the whole time. No subscriptions, no stress. Just a clean page that does exactly what you need.